Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Galaxy Watch 5 to your iPhone. It's important to understand that the Galaxy Watch 5, like many Samsung smartwatches, is built to work seamlessly within the Android ecosystem. Unfortunately, there is no official method or application available on the Apple App Store that allows for a direct and fully functional connection between your Galaxy Watch 5 and an iPhone. This means full integration is not possible. The primary reason for this incompatibility lies in the operating systems. The Galaxy Watch 5 runs on Google's Wear OS, which is deeply integrated with Android services and applications. Apple's iOS, on the other hand, is a closed ecosystem with its own set of protocols and applications, primarily designed for the Apple Watch. Without the dedicated Samsung Wearable app on iOS, the watch cannot properly communicate or sync data with your iPhone. Given the lack of direct compatibility, you have a few options. If you wish to utilize your Galaxy Watch 5 to its full potential, pairing it with an Android smartphone is the ideal solution. For iPhone users seeking a smartwatch with complete integration, including notifications, health tracking, and app support, an Apple Watch is specifically designed for that purpose. Attempting unofficial methods can lead to limited functionality and potential security risks. In conclusion, while the Galaxy Watch 5 is a fantastic device, its design and software ecosystem mean it's not compatible with iPhones. To get the most out of your smartwatch, it's crucial to match it with the correct phone operating system. For iPhone users, an Apple Watch provides the most comprehensive and reliable experience, ensuring all features work as intended. This compatibility is key for a smooth daily experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.